under a Sunday blue sky.
So it's our first day here in Rome, and we just got out of our B&B. Now we're gonna go to the Trevi fountain, and then after that we're gonna go to the Spanish Steps. So I don't know if I'll be able to vlog that kasi nga maraming pickpockets. May 40 seconds na rin. Okay, just when we turn this corner, we will see the Trevi fountain. Okay, so I'm switching to my phone para mas malapit. So, I have a cent here. Binigyan ako ni Mommy. 1 cent lang. And, of course, we have to throw a coin into the Trevi fountain para sure na babalik tayo sa Rome. Yay! And then, all the coins go to charity daw or is being donated.
Under a Sunday blue sky.
We're gonna go up the Spanish Steps. And then, andun yung metro station namin. Meron pa yun guys, hanggang doon siya. Progress. Doon kami nanggaling sa may fountain. Actually, doon pa. Sa may Trevi fountain pa. Tapos lakad pa ganyan sa fountain and then akyat sa steps. Got off the metro station and we are near the Vatican walls already. So, dito kami ngayon sa souvenir shop around the Vatican and puro mga Pilipino yung nandito. Si Mami bumibili ng mga rosaries. Daming security dito. Talagang chine-check yung mga bags. And ang layo ng nirating namin. Inikot namin yung labas ng Vatican. May crowd na dito sa tapat ng St. Peter's Basilica kasi dito banda gagawin yung Angelus. So, lalabas si Pope sa kanyang balcony. Sabi dito, itataas lang daw yung mga rosaries, then bless na daw siya. So, parang Holy Spirit lang yung blessing niya. Hindi talaga may holy water na gagano'n. 15 minutes before 12 and andun na yung flag na hinahanap namin ni Mami.
Cari fratelli e sorelle, buongiorno. Il brano evangelico di questa domenica ci offre un insegnamento sul perdono che non nega il torto subito, ma riconosce che l'essere umano
So, we didn't really finish the pizza and we had like 3 slices left. So, sabi ni Mami, papa-take away na lang daw namin. Tapos biglang ito binigay. Kami na nagbago. And now, we're gonna go buy some gelato. ganda ng mga bahay dito. Sobrang aesthetic, guys. Hinayaan lang nilang ganun yung style ng mga bahay. Okay, so we're now waiting for our tram to the Campo de Fiori, and I wasn't able to vlog at all earlier kasi nag-picture lang ulit kami. Then we weren't able to go inside the Basilica de Santa Maria here in Trastevere kasi anyway, yung itinerary talaga namin today, Trastevere, Campo de Fiori, and then Piazza Navona. Then after that, balik kaming Trevi Fountain. Campo de Fiori is a marketplace and may mga restaurants lang din. Medyo konti lang yung nagbebenta ngayon. I don't know if that's because it's a Sunday or because it's already 5 p.m. and the sun goes down at around 7 p.m. Pa-pack up na sila dito. Seeing all these dogs makes me want to see Riley already. Doggy! We didn't really have anything to do sa Campo de Fiori. Hindi na kami bumili. Tapos busog pa kami din. So now we're gonna go to Piazza Navona. So in Rome, marami talagang mga piazza. Maraming fountain. Actually, dapat magtatram pa kami from Fiori to Piazza Navona, pero okay na pala. Nalakarin siya. Kasi parang isang stop lang din yung agwat nila. Amigo! Doggies! Doggies! Naupo na lang kami. And we're here at the Pantheon. And there are also some street performers, of course. Hindi mawawala yun.